How to buy coin in Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can buy coin in Trust Wallet. Now first thing first, you'll have to update your Trust Wallet account before you do any transaction. So for that, go to your Play Store and then type in Trust Wallet, and if you see update, then click the update button. Wait for the application to be updated. After the application is completely updated, click the open button, enter in your credential and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Now just a quick reminder, if you're a trader or if you want to trade on any of the crypto apps such as Trust Wallet or maybe crypto.com whatsoever, you'll need to make sure that your account is verified. Only then you'll be able to receive, sell or buy cryptos on Trust Wallet. Now then, to begin with the buying process, click on buy. After that, select the coin that you wish to buy or select an asset. I'm gonna go with DOT. Now you'll have to enter in the exact amount that you wish to buy and click on buy with, which is located right at the bottom. You have to add a payment source as well. If you've not added a payment source, you'll be asked to enter in a payment source. Only then you can continue the procedure, where it's going to show you all of the details such as the amount of currency that you'll be spending and all sort of details. So click the submit button and then you'll be confirmed that the coins has been successfully bought in your Trust Wallet balance. So that's how you can buy coins and Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.